kou me ka ho'omana'o mau. He puko a ho'i o kou e kani ai ka aina.
O vai ka boy polole, e hia kia, kaino ko.
Ai, me kai ho'omau.
Ka ikia viki ole matamake oi aku.
Ina kiki nana.
Ko Kākou Ola.
O ka olelo ka mea e ho'opili ai ka po'e, kekahi me kekahi. He lāhui, a lokahi ma luna o kekahi ano no'ono'o.
O ka whaiole o kui no e hao o makahiki.
No leila, no kākou ka po'e Hawai'i, aia ma loko ka Kākou Olelo, ia mau au ka ike he Hawai'i.
Aloha, uilani a ana kui noa, no hopa mapuna o sina.
No leila, he kokua ka ike ane ka olelo Hawai'i, I ka ho'i ana I ke la huana ike ao.
The basic reason that you need to put an extreme amount of effort into maintaining Hawaiian is that English is so super overpowering in our contemporary society in Hawaii. So in order to make Hawaiian strong, you have to put an extra effort into that.
Nestled in Puna on the island of Hawaii, Ke Kula o Nawahi o Kalani o Pu'u is home to a preschool through 12th grade program pursuing academic success from a solid foundation in our language and culture.
Olelo no e au. He aha ka mana'o o keia, olelo no e au.
All modeled after one of Hawaii's legendary figures. Born and raised in the school's home of Puna, Joseph Koho'oluhi Nawahi o Kalani o Pu'u served his people in many ways as a legislator, a lawyer, and even a newspaper publisher.
E kumu ho'ohalike o Nawahi ma muli o kona ano he kanaka aloha lāhui o ia ka mua. A leila aloha aina, aloha ho'ona'auao.
I ko'u mana'o, o ia ka waiwai nui o keia papahana o ka nu'ukia o ke kula no ʻAneʻi Ko Kākou Ola, no ka mea no ʻAneʻi nei noe.
The school is grounded in traditional Hawaiian ways of thinking, but its philosophy of education is anything but old.
O ko apaha ke kino na hua.
Ale kākou ho'i I ke la wā, e ho'ohana I ke la, e lilo ke la o ia ko kākou ano.
Nawahi o Kalani o Pu'u is building on the state's existing Hawaiian immersion program to create a 100% Hawaiian medium experience.
Now, Hawaiian Medium Education goes beyond the classroom to include the entire school. And that means the librarian, the janitor, and the principal, everyone using Hawaiian as the language of the school.
Ka huli, ho'opili mai. Huli, ai?
And that's really the idea of Hawaiian Medium Education, to be normal, to have Hawaiian language and culture normalized, to be on TV.
Aloha mai kākou. He mea ko'i maoli no ke ia ninu nei pili na aina lia li'i.
To be in the grocery store.
Ka mea ho'omake aka, ai wau ka hapanui o kai.
And of course to be in school.
Ai, mai kai.
This all allows for a high level of fluency that's beneficial on many levels.
Well, first there's a cultural benefit of being able to live your life in Hawaiian language from a Hawaiian perspective, totally from a Hawaiian point of view. However, there's also academic benefits. Research has shown throughout the world that children who know 2 languages really, really well have a cognitive advantage over all other children.
Nawahi leadership is working with institutions and agencies such as the Educational Testing Service to help develop valid and reliable measures that confirm these advantages of a Nawahi Hawaiian medium education.
Ka po'e haku ho'ike nui ko lākou hoihoi I ka ike I ka po'e oiwi e imi I kaika ana I ke kahi ho'ike e ho'ike ahu wale ana I ke aka mai. O ke ia mau keiki, e au ia nei ma loko o ka lākou olelo uiwi.
This cutting-edge educational opportunity involves and appeals to families young and old from a variety of backgrounds.
We wanted our children to have the experience of being educated in Hawaiian language and Hawaiian culture. We felt that having that experience would allow them to develop the other skills and academic success that they needed to be successful in today's environment.
Nui kahana, but it was worth it. And the thing is, my father's generation and my generation, you know, we lost the language. So that's why we needed to bring it back. And the reason why I wanted Kopa to go to Olelo Hawaii School was to bring back the language in our ohana.
Ole keia no na ohana apau, aka no mako ka poe I koho I kia ano ho'ona'o he mea nui loa keia no ke ola o ka ike o Ko Kākou mau kupuna no kia hanauna hou.
For many of our ohana, this experience begins with the Punana Leo preschool program.
Ma ke ano he no'o kanaka o ka pepe ka manawa ke la pai pepe o ia ka wā e ho'omaka ai.
Kai ka apu wai.
A me ka mākaukau o ke kanaka I ka ho'okele ana I kāna hana. Kāna lavena, kāna mau olelo, ka hiki ke ike maikai, ka ho'oholo mana'o ana, ke kia ana maluno ka hana, aia I loko ka olelo, kia mau mea apau loa.
Hai mai oe!
The entire Nawahi environment fosters this way of learning, from the educational approaches and strategies to the physical environment as well.
In Hawaiian thinking, learning takes place everywhere. So the garden in that respect is one of our most precious classrooms here at Nawahi. Math is very abstract in that you have to, take numbers and crunch them, and that's what people typically think about math.
Oh, ma'ala hikela.
The mala allows us to apply it to real life situations. So one example would be just measuring the growth of the uala plant, which then allows us to plan better for a certain gathering. It's not just going through the motions, but actually applying that knowledge to your work, to your life.
O ke kanaka na'auao, o ke kanaka ike, o ia ke kanaka I hiki ke kālailai I kekahi mea, kekahi anu ike, po'aia pili. A ua hiki pū I ke la kanaka ho'okahi, ke ho'ohana maoli I ke la ike ma kekahi ano. A ohe vai o ka ike vale o ke po'o, a hiki ke wala'au, a ka a'ale maopopo pehea e ho'ohana I ke la ike. No leila, o ka ike ku'una o ia ano no'o. Lo'a ko'u ike no kia no ka mea ho'ohana wau I keia ike.
And it's that practical application of traditional ways of thinking about contemporary content that's key to this Nawahi educational experience. An experience that culminates with a very unique graduation, a week-long program that involves the entire ohana.
Hau'oli loa wau me ka hopena. Keia pule he hoi loa ia'u, me ka'u keiki, ka'u ka'ane ko'u ohana holo ko'a. O ka lei ke keiki mua ma ka ohana, puka ana mai ke kai kula Olelo Hawaii. Nui ko mākou ha'ahe o iaia.
O lako na poe I ku mea o no ko ola holo ko'a. Leila he mea nui ka ho'ohanohano ia a ku ha'aheo no lako.
Mahea la e hele ai ke kanaka mahope o keia. He mea nui ka ho'omanao ana no hea mai. No ke aha, ka wāhea, ka ohana a pela, a e ho'i mau mai I ka mo'oku au hau.
Kanani Kobai'ai Amaka Imoku has a clear understanding of where she came from. She started as a keiki punana leo and was a member of the very first graduating class at Nawahi. She completed her college education, including a master's degree in teaching, and has returned to Nawahi as both a teacher and a parent.
Homana'oe?
Putaitiale.
Puatiare, polole. Wahala na makahiki he nui a ka mauno ka pono e komo makahana, ea?
Aia mako maka papa mua a ka ali pau kahana maka lapuka. Kona e hoi mai a kokua a kako'o i nā poki iho, nā hanau na ho e puka nei. Ai, nana! O ka waiwai loa o kia anoa o ana, kia kaia o Maoli Hawai'i. Oia no ka ho'omako kau ana i ka piko'u o nā keiki ma kia kula. Ma laila e a'o ai nā keiki no ke aloha ohana, ke aloha ho'ona'auao, ke kule ana, a ina pa'a ke la mau mea, ke puka aku mai kia ano kula. Hiki ke komo ma na ano mea like ole, ma na ano aina like ole, me ka hila ole i kona ano maoli.
Ke ike ia nei o nā keiki puka mai Nawahi, nā haumana puka mai ke kulanui aku ke olelo Hawai'i nei me nā pepe a lako mai ka hanau ana. He ho'ailo na maoli ke lau ke ola.
Ai, he mai hua o mane.
Ke kula o Nawahi o Kalani o Pu'u, a unique and progressive educational experience producing academic results, but even more importantly, providing an opportunity for families to be a part of revitalizing and sustaining our language and culture.
No leila, I nā ho'omaka e hoi ka ohana I ke la ano hana pū ana, alu like ana, hapai like ana I kekahi mea. E no kālailai ana ke la kanaka, ke la ohana I kona I kaika. He aha ka'u e hana ai. He aha ka'u e lawe ai, e ha'awi ai no ka pono o ka'u keiki, ka'u mau keiki a me ke la. Ke ola kanaka ana, wa o kona wā hanau, a leila ka la e ha'alele ai, kona ka pau ana. No leila, nā hana ea pau I waina o ia mau la e lua, o ia nā la I pono e ho'ohana I ai ka olelo Hawai'i. O ia ka pau hopu.